Did you know that when Chris Watts went on TV begging for his missing family to come home, body language experts could tell he was lying within seconds? In 2018, Shanann Watts and her two little girls Bella and Celeste disappeared without a trace. Her husband Chris appeared on news interviews pleading for their safe return, but something was terribly wrong. He showed zero real emotion. He talked about his missing family in past tense, like they were already gone. He couldn't look the cameras in the eye. Police noticed he never asked about the investigation or how he could help find them. He seemed more worried about looking innocent than actually finding his wife and daughters. Behind the scenes, Chris was having an affair with his co-worker, but it was his obvious lies during interviews that made him the main suspect. Surveillance cameras caught him loading bodies into his work truck in the middle of the night. When police confronted him with the evidence, he finally confessed to the unthinkable. He killed Shanann in a rage, then murdered his own daughters when they saw their mother's body.